Last night, you turned your back on your wife again, not because you don't love her, not because you argued, but because your body just doesn't respond like it used to. No more morning readiness, no more fire in your touch, and slowly, you start pulling away. Quietly, shamefully. I know that feeling. Hundreds of men have told me the same thing. I still love my wife, but I'm afraid I can't do anything anymore. Does that sound like you? If yes, I have some good news. You're not fading. Your body is just missing the right fuel to reignite your manhood. And here's the amazing part. With just 3 simple foods you probably already have in your kitchen, you can naturally boost testosterone, improve blood flow, and feel that spark again, just like you did at 30. No pills, no gym memberships, no big expense. These 3 foods are simple, but the third one is often ignored, even though it acts like a switch for male vitality after 60. So, don't click away, because if you're ready to feel confident close to your partner and fully alive again, the next few seconds could change your life. There's a truth most men don't want to face, but eventually, we all do. Aging slowly changes a man's body silently but powerfully. After 60, your levels of testosterone, the very hormone that fuels male strength, energy, and desire, start to decline significantly. At the same time, your circulation weakens. Blood vessels lose flexibility. Blood flow to vital areas slows down. And the result, you no longer respond the way you used to. What does that lead to? Chronic fatigue, falling asleep during the day, but lying awake at night. When it comes to intimacy, it becomes difficult. Erections aren't as strong. Desire fades, and many men begin to avoid closeness not because they've lost love, but because they fear they won't perform. I once treated a man named Harold, 67 years old, a successful, dignified gentleman. But when he spoke to me, his voice broke. I don't feel like myself anymore. I wake up empty, no drive, and with my wife, I've started pulling away. I'm afraid I'll disappoint her. It broke my heart, because Harold is not alone. Thousands of men feel the same. Still full of love and longing, but trapped in a body that no longer listens. They suffer in silence, they blame themselves, and little by little, they lose the very confidence that once made them men. But here's what I need you to hear. This is not the end. It doesn't mean you're broken, it simply means your body needs the right support to get back on track. So, let me ask you this. Have you noticed a change in yourself recently? Feeling less energized, less interested, less like the man you used to be? Be honest with yourself, because only when you truly see the problem can you begin to take back your power and your life. So, what's actually happening inside your body after age 60? Why do you feel tired, less energetic, and not as interested as you once were? It all comes down to 2 core issues. Declining testosterone, weaker blood circulation. Let's start with testosterone, the male hormone that powers almost everything. Muscle, energy, drive, erections, and yes, your confidence. But here's the reality: testosterone starts dropping after age 30. And by the time you reach 60, many men have just half or even less than they did in their youth. This leads to slower metabolism, belly fat, poor sleep, low desire, and that haunting feeling I don't feel like myself anymore. Now add to that poor circulation. Blood is your body's delivery system, bringing oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every organ. But as arteries age and stiffen, blood flow to the important areas slows down. Even if you still want intimacy, your body may not cooperate. And the result? Weaker erections, difficulty staying firm, growing distance from your partner. To make matters worse, stress, poor sleep, low activity, and a bad diet speed this process up. But here's the truth I want you to hold on to. Your body still has the power to bounce back. When you give it the right support through proper nutrition, smart habits, and natural remedies, testosterone can rise again. Blood can flow more freely, and your spark can return. You don't need risky pills or extreme treatments. What you need is to start with simple, proven steps that work with your body, not against it. Now that you understand why energy and intimacy decline with age, here's the good news. You can reawaken your hormones and circulation, starting with simple changes to your daily meals. No pills, no gym memberships, just 3 everyday foods backed by science that can help boost testosterone, improve blood flow, and restore your male vitality. Food 1, whole eggs, restart your testosterone factory. You've probably heard that eggs are bad for your heart because of cholesterol. But that's outdated science. New research shows cholesterol from eggs, when consumed in moderation, is actually the raw material your body uses to make testosterone. No cholesterol, no testosterone. Whole eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that supports blood flow to the brain and your private parts. Choline also helps the liver, detox reduces inflammation, and improves sleep, all crucial for male performance. How to use it. Eat 1 to 2 whole eggs in the morning, boiled or lightly fried with olive oil. Pair with leafy greens or a slice of avocado toast for a testosterone-friendly breakfast. Note, if you have high cholesterol or a heart condition, consult your doctor. But for most healthy men, over 60 eggs are safe and beneficial daily. Food 2. Avocado, nature's fuel for blood flow and hormones. Avocados aren't just tasty, they're one of nature's most powerful anti-aging superfoods for older men. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that helps your body absorb vitamin E. Why does that matter? Vitamin E is essential for sexual health. It improves circulation, keeps blood vessels flexible, enhances erectile strength, and even supports natural testosterone production. Avocados also contain potassium, folate, and antioxidants great for the heart, the prostate, and mood. How to use it. Eat half an avocado per day. Add to salads mixed with Greek yogurt or spread on whole grain toast. Best eaten in the morning or midday. Avocados are high in calories. Food 3. Pumpkin seeds, the Zinc king for testosterone and prostate health. This small seed delivers big benefits. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, a mineral your body must have to produce testosterone and maintain healthy sperm. Low zinc, low testosterone, low energy and low libido. They're also rich in antioxidants, plant-based omega-3s, and compounds that protect your prostate, the engine room of male performance. How to use it. Eat 1-2 tablespoons daily. Snack on them raw in the afternoon instead of chips or sugary treats. Sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or your morning oats. Let's recap. By adding these 3 simple foods to your meals each day, you're sending your body a powerful signal. I'm ready to feel alive again. These are not extreme changes. They're small, consistent steps, and when followed with intention, they unlock better sleep, sharper focus, and that unmistakable spark that tells you you're still a man. Your body isn't broken. It's not too old. It's simply been missing the nutrients it needs to thrive again. And the beautiful part, you can start changing that tomorrow morning with your very first meal. Start small. Add 1 egg, half an avocado, or a handful of pumpkin seeds. Over time, these little choices send your body a message. We're not done yet. There's still strength, still life, still joy. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to the channel. Each week we share practical tips, inspiring stories, and natural solutions to help men over 60 live stronger, love deeper, and feel fully alive again. And if you've already started your own health journey, drop a comment below. What's one thing that made a difference for you? Your story might inspire someone else. May God bless you with renewed strength each morning so you can live each day fully with courage and purpose. Thank you for watching. We're in this together.